Hey y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning in and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. You guys have not seen me sitting down in a minute, but hey, it's time. I know it's well overdue. Today's video is actually from a company by the name of Jessemade Jewelry. You guys have probably seen them on Instagram. But I actually received this package some time ago, but we've actually had so much going on, from hurricanes to power outages and just trying to get everything back going with the regular, you know, ins and outs of life. And so today I was like, let me sit down. I have to do this wonderful company, like I said, by the name of Jessemade Jewelry. They specialize in trend setting, personalized jewelry, and they actually reached out to you, girl, and wanted me to check out some of their jewelry. So I must say it was a pleasant surprise, but here I am. I haven't even opened my package yet. I was able to pick out a couple of pieces, and then they recommended a couple of pieces as well. So I have not unboxed. I'm gonna do all of that on film, and then I'm gonna try on the pieces and show you guys what I picked up. And then I will also get their details and their info in the description box, so if you guys want to check them out, you can definitely do so. I will have a coupon code for you at the end of the video, so just bear with me. I received 2 of these little sacks with 2 different items, and then I also have 2 boxes with 2 different items. So I have not looked at them. I actually just took them out of the envelope this morning. So I wanted to unbox with you guys and show you what I got, and then maybe you guys can check them out and, you know, see if you like them. So inside it says here, Jessemade, don't ever forget that you're amazing, and if you do, come back and I'll remind you again. Oh, I love that. Let me just get a little closer so you guys can see this. Too cute. These look like they are some jewelry cleaners, you know, the cloths that you clean your jewelry with. So that's what I think this is going to be used for. Like I said, I have 2 of these inside. I'm only going to just take 1 out for the time being. And then inside, it just asks that you tag them in Jessemade Jewelry on Instagram with your item for a chance to be featured on the page. So go follow that Instagram page, because I will be submitting some photos, and go show you girls some love over there, okay? All right. Don't forget, stay tuned at the end. I'm going to have a coupon code for you so that you can get a percentage off of this already affordable jewelry, okay? Without further ado, let's go on ahead and open this, because I have been waiting to get my life situated so that I can show you guys as well as look at it myself. So inside of the first one, let's see, this is a box. Okay, so inside of the first one is going to be, oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. You guys are going to learn a little bit more about me also, if you don't already know some things about me as far as my name, okay? A lot of the ones that's been there since last October 15th, y'all probably know my name already, but this first piece of jewelry, it is going to be my name, my middle name actually. Let's get it, we're gonna get a good close-up for you. And I'm gonna just use this little cloth that they gave me to help you guys out. I'm gonna turn the light down a little, and then I'm just going to hold this up. And there is my middle name, which is Monique. All right, y'all. All right, this is the first piece of jewelry, and it is my middle name, which is Monique. All right, so the second box, I'm pretty sure I know what it says. So second box is going to be my first name, which is Kendra. For everyone that are new, that do not know, now you know a little bit more about your girl. Try to do it in layers, so if I want to wear it together, I can. Y'all know your girl loves silver. Even though my warm undertone says that I should wear gold, I haven't worn gold since I was a kid. I just don't care for it. But I'm gonna turn this light down. Jessemade jewelry. Don't forget, y'all, head on over to the Instagram page and be looking out for your girl. Link with them. Let them know in the comments the Real K Moe sent me. Like, just let them know that. Don't forget, guys, don't leave. I got 2 more packages to open, and I do have a coupon code for you. So inside of this one right here, let's see what we got up in here. Oh, got another card with another cleaner. Oh, yes, I remember. So this right here, this is one that I picked up for pure inspiration, okay? It does say, keep going, you got this. And y'all already know I'm all for inspiring, uplifting, especially, you know, to the ones that I met here on this platform. It's really hard out here on YouTube. So I just thought that this would be something nice to have. You know, just to give me some encouragement on those days that it ain't going so good with YouTube. So just to know that I have this saying, keep going, you got this. This is really cute. But I have one more piece. So of course we got another card with that jewelry cleaner. And oh yes, I remember this one. All right, guys, so not personalized, but when I saw this, I was like, I need it in my life. So this is a beautiful, beautiful anklet set, y'all. I'm a sucker for anklets. I love them. I used to wear them all the time. I'm all up on the stool with it, I know. You have 2 little strings, and this is how you tighten it up. I'm gonna turn it this way for the sake of the video. Y'all, isn't this so cute? So cute. Yeah, I love this anklet, y'all. It is so cute. Alright, so I have, like I said, some details that will be in the description box for you guys. I will go on ahead and put my coupon code in the description box as well. But if you guys have been waiting on that coupon code, it is MOE10, M-O-E, and the number 10. You will receive 10% off of your order. Like I said, go follow them on Instagram as well, so that you're able to see my photos when I do post them over there, and show your girls some love over there when I do post those photos. If you guys are interested in ordering this, I just want to let you know this is some affordable jewelry. You are really going to be surprised at the prices. I did not purchase any of this jewelry with my own money, but I did, you know, agree to do this as a review for you guys, and I will be purchasing some more of this jewelry myself. I'm pretty sure my kids will love some personalized name necklaces. They make good little Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, and even just because. And I promise you guys, the price will really have you getting more than one item for sure. So be on the lookout over there on Instagram. Don't forget that coupon code is MOE10, and that's M-O-E, the number 10, so you can get 10% off of your order. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Drop down in the comments. Let me know which one of these pieces is your favorite piece of jewelry. Let me know if you're going to be ordering something. And also, if you are wondering what I have on my eyes, I get lots of questions on that whenever I do wear this eyeshadow. Check out my Jessemade video that I released some time ago. This is number 1 out of the 2 colors that I had. So I just want to throw that in there. Don't forget, guys, give me a thumbs up on this video. And also, if you are new, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. I post all types of content. I'm not even going to go into specifics, but just know you will get vlogs. You will get sit downs as well as a lot of other material as well. Guys, it has been a pleasure. I'm going to go on ahead and end this now. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.